Jang'ad bura Fred Andago Ochieng odiochieng' ma kawuono ne okowe kar yweyo mare bang' wito ngimane chieng' tarik 17 mar dwene. Jang'ad bura no ne odhial kaka jal manohero weche mag twak kod kelo ji kanyakla ahinya to yor jiwo bedo gi thegruok e buche mekgi oko mar doho. Chal mane konyo duoko piny pekne doho. Osipegi kotelnegi gi jalup gai mar doho Philomena Mwilu ne oyuago jang'ad bura no kaka jal manohero kwe kendo ne gipake kuom tich mosebedo kotimo e doho. Familia ne bende ne oyuage kaka ng'at mane ohero kanisa kendo ne ogone erokamano kuom arita makare ma bende ne omiyoge.
And I will very humbly.
And so we spent that time thinking through what needed to be done.
His passion and commitment to mediations were unmatched. He popularized the phrase, mediation works, a truth which he not only proclaimed but lived. He believed deeply that mediation was not just a method of resolving disputes, but a pathway to restoring peace in families, in businesses, and in communities.
Despite his busy schedule, he led a balanced life between the church, the home, and his work. It would take him some time, like if his daughter filed, which it took 3 days to finish writing the judgment, that was a very difficult one. But he always congratulated himself, like, that was a difficult one. I'm glad I've done that.
He leaves behind a rich jurisprudence in almost all the entire stretch of the law. But the very thing that we shall always remember him for will be his deep embrace of common human dignity and commitment to constitutional values and the rule of law. We in Kisumu remember him with particular fondness for his time serving in our region.